Hey guys, so this is just a quick follow-up to the that hour-long video I made. So this is what we have left of our tofu turkey, and that's the marinade that you put on top. That's that brown. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's red wine vinegar, soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, and Dijon mustard, and you just put that baste it on top of your turkey, and then bake it. Here's our squash. We can't even eat it because it's so, everything else is so filling. But it just came out of the oven. It's nice and tender. Of course, we have mashed potato. The gravy, I just reheated it. I didn't reheat all of it, just a little bit. Here's our green bean casserole. Here's part of my plate. So that's the cranberry sauce and the rolls. You can see here. Part of my plate, but yeah, so everything turned out beautiful. Here's what the cheesecake looks like. That'll be for later for dessert, and we hope you're having a good Thanksgiving, and many more Thanksgivings. Thanks for watching.